Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today we are talking about Dashlink Central on Doordash. So I have a few videos on the Dashlink system on Doordash and how they're testing it in different areas. And of course, they're updating and upgrading their systems all the time for better and for worse. That said, one of the topics that I've yet to discuss is Dashlink Central. So with that said, we are talking about everything that you must know about Dashlink Central on Doordash, what they tell you versus how it actually is, and everything in between. But before we do that, let's go over a quick disclaimer. The content of this video does not contain, is never intended to be, legal, business, financial, tax, or health advice of any kind. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It is advised that you conduct your own research and consult qualified professionals before applying anything you find online. I also want to be clear that everything that we're going to be going over in this video is very market dependent, and what applies to me in my market may not apply to you. So with that said, let's get started. What is Dashlink Central? Dashlink Central is a dedicated in-app entry point in the DoorDash app designed to help you find everything you need to be successful with Dashlink deliveries. It is intended to be a place for drivers to learn more about Dashlink and your Dashlink deliveries and what you need to be opted in or out. And for those people who want to hop into the comment section on Dashlink offers and need to find a link to Waitlist, this is your answer. In the same section where Dasher preferences are is Dashlink Central. This is where you can hop onto the waitlist and activate those offers and even turn them off if that's really not your thing. Will I still be able to use the QR code to join the waitlist? With the induction of Dashlink Central, you will no longer be able to use any QR codes to join the waitlist. I believe the codes and the links were implemented before Dashlink Central, just like how links and notifications were sent through the LOP and DoorDash offices were sent out with the LOP when they first launched it. In my opinion, this is more simplistic. How can I access Dashlink Central? From your DoorDash app, navigate to the preferences section. From there, you should see two different tabs. One is DoorDash and the other is Dashlink. Honestly, it's probably one of the better updates in my opinion because of the amount of confusion about the waitlist and not receiving them and blah, blah, blah. So honestly, good move on DoorDash. How do I join the waitlist? You could join the Dashlink waitlist through Dashlink Central by navigating the Dasher preferences screen in the DoorDash app. From there, you can access the waitlist join page and see your current position on the waitlist. If you need to know more about Dasher preferences in general, I made a video talking all about that. The link is going to be in the description. Feel free to check that out. How do I know if I'm on the waitlist? You can check whether or not you're on the waitlist by navigating to this section. If you've been assigned a spot number, you have successfully joined the waitlist. If you need to know more about the waitlist itself, I made a video on the Dashlink waitlist. The link will be in the description. Feel free to check that out. Will I get a notification when the waitlist opens? Opt in to be notified each day when the waitlist opens and turn on the Dashlink only toggle while waiting for your potential offer to prevent non-Dashlink assignments from being assigned to you. So this is interesting. I didn't think they would set up something to where if you only want Dashlink offers, they would give you that option without making you decline a whole lot or just having you toggle everything else off. This also gives people the option to not be dashers in general, more so a Dashlink driver, which changes the niche you would be involved with. I kind of like that. What if Dashlink is not available in my market? If Dashlink is not live in your market, you won't see the Dashlink tab in the preferences screen. Instead, you could sign up for notifications to be informed when Dashlink becomes available in your area. That's funny. It is a wait list for a wait list. To be honest, that's hilarious to me. What happens if I turn Dashlink offers off while on the wait list? If you turn Dashlink offers off while on the wait list, a confirmation message will appear and you will be removed from the wait list. In other words, don't send more mixed messages than a cheating boyfriend or girlfriend. Can I join multiple wait lists? In markets with multiple Dashlink sites, you can join the wait list for the site closest to your current location. You can only join one waitlist at a time. This kind of makes sense, but I also wonder sure if they will implement a preference setting for this as well. Like if you are close to two sites and you are dashing in one area just because you received an order, so now you are closer to that one site, but then another site is closer to your home, so you end up choosing that one. Or maybe you just don't like how one location operates because they're disorganized or dishonest, or they are just mean to their drivers or something. But the second location is ran by better people, more efficient, but just half a mile further. I would love the option to choose my Dashlink location in the future. How will I be notified about my waitlist status? You can see your waitlist status and position in Dashlink Central. Notifications also inform you when the waitlist opens, when offers are near you, and when you should start driving for an upcoming offer. So pretty much first come, first serve. The closer you are to the first spot, the better chance you have to get an offer, just like with golf scores. Now, I do have a side note or two to add to this on the subject. Dashlink offers and earn by time. Now, I've been asked this a fair amount of times, and upon investigation and double checking with Bud Soda on the subject, the only time you would see a Dashlink offer with earn by time is if it would cost Doordash more money to keep increasing the cost of the order route rather than handing it to an EBT driver. That said, I don't recommend it. Literally, the worst of the worst offers end up in EBT with the worst of the worst customers. So unless you want to be deactivated for fraudulent activity, which has already been proven to happen, don't. Still not as good as multi-apping. One of the points I like to make on the subject as a whole is the concept of diversifying your gig portfolio and developing an exit strategy. Whether you're a gig worker, part-time, full-time, or otherwise, it is vital to maintain a well-diversified gig portfolio so you can constantly keep busy and keep making money. Maybe that means hopping onto multiple platforms and even connecting yourself into even more professional opportunities. Also, the point of developing an exit strategy. Remember, the gig economy is an income bridge to what would be a long-term goal and not the goal. That would mean you would need to develop a source of income that's independent of your activity. And while there are multiple ways to accomplish this, it is more important than ever to be connected to the right opportunities and have the proper network to accomplish that. And that is where the Driven Wyld Discord server is going to come in clutch. The Driven Wyld exclusive Discord community is for gig workers looking to expand their knowledge and expertise in their self-employment and entrepreneurial journey by joining a community of like-minded people. I partnered with Jeffrey Lago, the founder of Food Fetch, to bring you some of the most exclusive benefits based on your personal needs as a gig worker. Exclusive professional opportunities and gig postings. More live streams with high-level professionals in our industry. Educational systems that help you build your own dispatch company, and scalable opportunities. Whether you're a gig worker looking for more opportunities to earn or looking for an exit strategy because the gig economy is an income bridge to what would be a long-term goal and not the goal, and would like something with more growth and scalable opportunity. We broke the Discord into 3 tiers: Exploring the Wild, the Wild Trailblazers, and the Wild Nomad Elite. Each tier has different benefits that build upon each other and help you fit your needs as effectively as possible. And we will continue to add benefits as we grow. Check the link in the description and sign up for the tier that best suits your goals and get started with making the most amount of money in the least amount of time in the safest possible way. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.